Good afternoon. A table for one, please.
Certainly, handsome. Follow me. Can I take your order, handsome?
I have the grilled stick, and I say order of fries.
Okay, stick and fries. Would you like something to drink?
Can I see the menu, the drink menu?
Of course, here you are.
I'll have a glass of wine.
Would you like some coffee or dessert?
A cup coffee would be nice. Thank you. Thank you. Could I have the bill, please?
Of course, here you are.
Can I pay the credit card?
I am afraid you can. Only cash.
Okay. Here you are, $50. Keep the change.
Okay, thank you, handsome. Have a good day.
Have a good day too.